How many paintings do you paint a year? 5, 10, 20, 50? Hello, my name is Gail McFarland and welcome to Tuesday Art Talk. Well, I recently read an article that most professional artists paint 70 or more paintings a year. So that's about 6 a month. Now, what do you do with all those paintings between shows and all? I have a tip for you. Hello, my name is Gail McFarland and welcome to Tuesday Art Talk. So what I use is a pool noodle. What I do is I cut them into pieces like this. Let me grab one. About this size, about a hand size, and I cut it down the middle. And what I do is I put them on the edge, excuse my back, on the sides of my painting. This way I could store them in my closet. When I do take them to galleries and all, not only do I put them on the top sides, I put them on the bottom, and then I wrap the paintings up in either a blanket or some other type of materials and put them in my trunk to take them to galleries. But I could stack them if they have these pool noodles on it. So look what I did in my closet. It helps a lot. So next time, when you're finished with a painting and you have to store it before shows, try pool noodles. So until next week, I love you guys. Bye-bye.